Hello everyone, welcome to the Omron PLC online training program. As we have discussed about PLC, so PLC represents programmable logic controller. Okay, so as we have discussed in PLCs, there are many manufacturers such as Omron, Rockwell, Schneider, Siemens, ABB. So these are the major manufacturers of controllers. So here in this online program, we are going to learn about Omron PLCs. Okay. Introduction of Omron PLC. So as you can see here, this one is CP1E series. Okay. You can see here in image. So Omron has supported industry with innovative solution and advanced technologies. Omron programmable logic controllers designed with high processing speeds and full transparency. Omron PLCs provide users with numerous functions and controls from small scale equipment to entire production lines. It is saying that in Omron PLCs, you can control a minimum number of inputs and outputs, and there are input output modules available for PLCs. By connecting them, you can connect entire production. So Omron PLCs allow for seamless data exchange inside machines and across entire plants, from smart remote IOs to the compact CP1 range, right through to high performance modular CJ1 and backplane based CS1 series system. Omron have a wide range of PLCs to suit any application needs. Okay, if your number of inputs and outputs is less, then you can go for CP1E series, that is compact PLCs. Okay, then if you require very high response, okay, very fast response, then you can go for Omron CJ1 series. And if you have number of inputs and outputs is more, then you can go for CS1 series, where handling of input and output is easy because it has backplane based.